Power Maps Part 4. We've already created a tour using Power Maps. In these instructions, I will show you how to create a video of your tour. This can be useful if you want to send your tour to people who might not have Excel and can't view the information. In our Home tab, in the Tour group, click Create Video. And we have different qualities of video that you can choose from. The higher the quality, the better it will look for your viewers, but the longer it will take to render and the bigger the file will be. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to do the quick export in mobile. This will be a smaller video. And soundtracks is not needed, but let's go ahead and add a soundtrack. I'll click Soundtrack Options, and I'll click Browse. And let's find some sample music. Be aware of copyright issues when using music. I'm going to select Kalimba. It comes with Microsoft in the sample music files. And I'll click Open. And I'll leave all of these options checked, and I'll click Apply. And now I'll click the Create button. And we'll give the video a name. I'll just call this one Power Map and click Save. It takes a few minutes to render. The video is completed. Let's click Open to view it. And that's the end of the video.